Betoven, come here. Get the boogie. Come here. Get the boogie. You're not scared of a little buggy? Look at the boogie. Betoven, look at the little boogie. It's called a stink bug. Get the boogie. Betoven. Get that little buggy. Get that little buggy. Get the little buggy. You're not scared of a little buggy? Get the boogie. Get the little buggy. Look at the little buggy. Look at the little buggy. Get the little buggy. You're hiding from the buggy. Get the little buggy. It's called a stink bug. It's what they don't stink. Get the buggy. Get the little buggy. You hiding your face in the sofa? You gotta get the buggy. Betoven. The buggy wants to be your friend. Oh, look at my dog. Get the buggy, Betoven. Look at the buggy. Get the buggy. Look at you. He's running it on. Get the buggy. He wants to be your friend. He wants to be your friend, the little buggy. Yeah, look at that. Ah! The little buggy. Look at the little buggy, buggy. You're so funny. Look at the buggy. You don't want the buggy? You're scared of the buggy. You're so scared of the little buggy. You're so scared of the little buggy. You're so scared of the little buggy. You're so scared of him. He's running. You are so funny. Look at how funny you are. Get the little buggy. Oh, look at my dog. Betoven. Gotta get the buggy. You don't want to get the buggy. You're afraid of the buggy. You are afraid of the buggy. You're afraid of the buggy. You are so scared of a little buggy. He's a harmless buggy. Oh. All right, we're gonna let him go free outside, okay? Okay, the little buggy's gonna go outside free. All right.